Hey guys, this is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of an inexpensive pair of headphones from Maono. We found these on Amazon for about 50 bucks. We're going to go ahead and check them out and see how they do and if they'll be good for DJs, home DJs, maybe a great backup, maybe just for pure listening pleasure. So sit back, relax, check out this quick review of the Maono AU-MH601 Studio Headphones. If this is your first time to the channel, please consider clicking that subscribe button. This channel is pretty much dedicated to finding inexpensive gear for mobile DJs, home DJs, bedroom DJs, home disco enthusiasts, and anybody who likes to have a little fun with live sound, lighting, or anything similar at home. Ready? Here we go. We're going to open this box. It's a Maono Studio Headphones AU-MH601. In the box, we have this little bag. Just a piece of, it's a styrofoam cover. It's not going to be a reusable bag. And we have the headphones. All right, the headphones seem to have a nice little fold up, kind of DJ-ish, but you can't seem to fold them both together, but that's all right. We have some adjustment. We have a left and a right marking. All right, that's nice. We can flip them in and out, flip them all the way around. Spring loaded. They look nice. They got an M on the side with a little silver splashing. We definitely have some plastic. I don't feel any metal. Maono, all right. Side looks like we have a little bit of a little cloth on the headband part. And we have some pretty thick synthetic material here. They're super light. The box shows we got a little red here, but they are silver, which is cool. They're very, they're cool. And besides that, it looks like we have an eighth inch plug and a 1/4 inch plug, but the wire's not on them. We're gonna go ahead and set them on the ear. Comfortable, very comfortable. They're very light. Don't do that. That's a pretty nice spring. Nice. Why don't they got to sit like that? Look at that. They bend nicely. They'll sit nice. Easy to go one ear. Turn one out. It's nice. I'm looking at pose side camera, but very light. I hate messing up my hair, so I rarely put them on my head. So. It's good. Good. Very light. Not very noise. There's not a lot of noise blockage. I mean, there's obviously dampens the sound some, but I can hear my snap, no problem. There's not much going on here. I can still hear the fan from my computer. But let's see what else is in the box, guys. Headphones look nice. And you have a nice bag of coiled cord. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, we got a nice, so it easily goes over 6 feet if needed. All right, and then you have, oh, that's nice. So you have 1/8 inch stereo to 1/4 inch stereo on both ends, and both have adapters, and they both screw on adapters, so they're gonna stay where you want them to. Nice and easy. So that's what you got. You got the headphones, you got the cord included, you got the adapters, 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch. Looks good. I mean, for DJing, you don't really want much longer than that. It's nice. Put them on the right way again. Yes, I do. So this is nice because you can obviously just take it out and go. Yeah, you can just take it out and go. You can pull them out, not worry about it. They're very comfortable. All right, let's check out the sound and see what we think. John Williams, Star Wars, killing it. I just checked these things out with a little Dr. Dre, with a little hard rock, and even John Williams doing the original Star Wars theme, and they sound really good. So I like to use a bunch of different music. I don't use headphones at home that often, but I might start because I miss music being that nice and that nice stereo field. So I do like them. They're really inexpensive. They're light. They sound great. And I do like the included cord, and I like the flexibility of this, and this. These are great little DJ headphones. They're great for home. They're great for just chillaxing and listening. I didn't try them with my phone. I'm going to plug them right into my computer system, basically. And they're great. They get really loud. The bass is pretty good. And the clarity of music, such as classical, sounds really nice, guys. Check these out for $50. They're a 5-star buy for me.